channel. My name is Audrey Michelle and I am getting ready for like the third time because I always have to repack something else to go to a trip, one-way trip to Colombia with my husband, and after that we're going to another destination, and after that we're going to another destination. My husband and I carry a lot of like hair care and things for our faces, lotions, creams, oils, all those type of things. We normally get these little plastic, like this little TSA plastic bottles from Walmart, and in New York it was cheaper. It was like 99 cents a bottle, but they're a pain to squeeze out like whatever product you put in it. And let's see, here in Florida they're not so cheap. They're like one something, $1.99 a little plastic bottle. And if you want those new silicone ones that you squeeze out every single drop, you have to spend like almost $3 to $4 per bottle at Walmart or any other store. So we obviously went onto the internet to get what we needed. We went to Amazon to get these little silicone TSA bottles. I got them all in sets, and I got them because of the reviews. The reviews were great. They weren't necessarily cheap. Some of them were really cheap. Some of them were like, you know, regular price. But I got them because I didn't have to buy one bottle at a time. It all came in bundles, in packages of 4 or 6. I think one of them brought like 3 little silicone bottles and 2 like tiny TSA spray bottles, which I used for like my perfume and for like a hair mist. So these are shaped like that, and I'm gonna link every single set of these bottles and everything else that I'm gonna show down below so that you guys can go straight into the page where I got it from on Amazon and just check it out, buy it if you want to, and make your life easier when you travel. This is my first time buying these type of bottles, and I'm telling you, I was a little nervous that I might not like it. I swear by these now. It's like, why did we spend so many years traveling without these TSA bottles? Silicone TSA bottles are a lifesaver. They're what you need. They normally have, like, you just turn this part of the cap and then it'll say like conditioner or soap or shampoo or lotion. So these didn't have that, and so I just wrote up here what they were, and then I put tape over it so that it doesn't erase. Like, these are actually my favorite because they are so spacious. Like, they look bigger. When I saw these, I was like, there's no way this is 3 ounces only, but it is. And they're kind of flat already, so you can pack them anywhere. The reason why all of these bottles have this plastic is because I learned this trick a long time ago. I open the cap, I put a little bit of saran wrap on it, and I close the cap. That way, if anything pops, any liquids you have pops or something like that, it will not spill out from the spout because of the little plastic. So I've always done this every time I travel, never had an issue with it. I also bought this because I've been seeing these everywhere on Amazon, and I really wanted to get them. I bought this one in pink because I love pink. And it has this little hook that you can put on, like on the shower, anywhere in the bathrooms, anywhere you go that there's a hook. You can hang this like that. And it has a lot of pockets. So it has this pocket up here, has this one here. I just put like a little eyelaser, well, eyebrow eraser. It has these side pockets that open up completely. You can put like any brushes, makeup brushes. For now, since I have my makeup brushes somewhere else, I'm just storing these. These are silicone face scrubs, which I use for exactly that, scrub my face. I got these on Amazon as well. They came in a pack of 2, so one for me and one for him. And then they have a little suction cup in the back, and the suction cup is really strong. I already tried it in the shower, or you could leave it in the shower or in the mirror, and that way you don't forget to take it in with you every single time. And here you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 little compartments like this where you can put bottles or anything else that might fit, and then you have space in the middle to put a lot of other things. Right now we just have our it's like a stick, SPF 50 sunscreen stick. It takes me so long to say that every time. That we just got yesterday, so it's tiny. We just put it there. On the other pocket, it's the same as this one, the exact same. We have small electric shaver that he takes everywhere. So we just have the electric shaver here and the charger for it and the plug. I'll link this down below too. They have it in other colors, and this is just, I thought it was gonna be crappy. I just wanted to try it out, but it's great. It's really good material. It's really good. We normally don't use like toiletry bags. We normally use what is that called? Oh, Ziploc bags to put our toiletries in. But this time I just wanted to be to have everything in one place, so I got this toiletry bag. Okay, so this is the other kit. This one came obviously in its own little pouch. So if you don't have a toiletry bag and this is the only toiletries you will take with you, and maybe like, you know, a little lipstick or something you can put up here in the empty space. This one came as a set, and they're kind of small, but I wanted them smaller for other little things that we were gonna put in, and I knew exactly, like, the big ones are for the shower, blah blah blah. The little ones are like for lotion. This one is one of my lotions, and this one has so much wrap on it. This one is, it says, see, this one's have the little dial that you can turn. This one says sun, which would be for sunscreen, and they also have a suction cup in the back. So this one, if I turn the dial, it would say like lotion or shampoo or conditioner, and then you can stick this also on your mirror or in your shower. This one has coconut oil, which we need coconut oil for our face, our body, everything. So besides coconut oil in this one, I'm also gonna put some argan oil, some drops of argan oil, and maybe some honey in here, and it'll be for our hair. This one, and they smell so good because you can like smell what's in it, and it's just the lotion and the coconut oil together. That smells amazing. This one says soap. I turned this to soap. I was gonna put soap in it, but I already put that in another container that was bigger. So this one is gonna be for another mixture that I'm gonna make for my curly hair, because since we both have curly hair, it takes a lot of maintenance. So I have to like take my own little products with me, my own little mixtures with me. So this is the first little spray bottle. I put my leftover body spray in it. I already have a little like travel perfume bottle. So yeah, I'm gonna link this down below too. And I loved it because I love the colors. I love the fact that it came with 2 bottles as well. And I love the fact that it came in its own little case, because if I needed this to be separate in another bag out of my toiletry bag, then I don't have to worry about anything. These are my favorites. I think I only used like one so far. I went crazy buying so many TSA bottles because I thought that we were gonna take a shit ton more of things, liquid, lotions, oils, stuff like that, than we actually ended up taking. But it's fine because now I have more for later, or if on the road I buy lotion or something like that that is too big for me to bring in the plane, then I just use one of these. So these are shaped like little penguins. Let me take this one. And they have the little dial. See, they're so cute. And they have the little dial right here, which right now is blank, but if I turn it, then it would say lotion, shampoo, conditioner, stuff like that. It's totally worth it because I kind of thought it might be a little flimsy. It's not. They're actually really thick. And I know that whatever's in here is exclusively for me. All of the plain ones like this are for my husband. And all of the cutesy ones are for me. Oh, yeah. And these are the last ones I got. Ta-da! Of course, once I saw these, I had to get them. So these two actually... These two came as a set by themselves, and I got these two when they were on sale. I'm not sure, again, how much they are for right now on original price. But these were, I believe these were the first ones that I bought, and I just wanted to check out. If I would like the silicone feel and all of that, and I totally loved it after getting these two, so I was like, let me get more bottles. I also got this for my husband, he's gonna carry like our electronic bag is this book bag, which isn't waterproof. So I was looking for this waterproof cover for any type of bag. So if it starts raining where we're at, you just put this cover on your bag and you'll be good. And the reviews were great. That's the name brand. The reviews were great on it, so I decided to get it. And it comes in this little bag, so you could just put it back in here and put it anywhere you want on your bag, or like maybe like hang it from your bag or something. There's small, medium, and large, and this was the medium size. And it's pretty thick. I thought it might be flimsy, but it's actually pretty thick. I also got this water bottle, which is a silicone bag. And I bought it for this purpose. When you're done with it and or you're traveling, whatever, just wrap it up like that, fold it up like that, and then you just, it's not gonna be a nuisance. It's not gonna take up that much space. So that's why we got this. This anchor is a lifesaver. We've had it. We bought it for Canada. Before we went to Canada, we got it because it charges your phones and even charges your laptop. It charges anything for you basically, as long as you have, you know, the right charger for it. When you travel, if you have a phone, you have to get this. And then this is the best name brand also. So this is something that I'm showing you guys because this is like, if I have nothing else with me besides my phone, I know that I'm gonna have my anchor. It has 2 ports so that you can charge 2 devices at the same time. So we usually put this at the side of our book bag if we don't have like huge pockets on us, and then we just hold our phone or put our phone in our pocket, and everything is just super convenient, and we don't have to hold both of them on our hands. Sometimes if I have a purse that's big enough, I just put this in my purse along with my phone while it charges. Last thing that we got from Amazon. Whenever we go to the gym, my husband always asks for the sliders because he loves working out with them. So this was the bundle that when I found this, I was like, I have to get this. And they're really, really good quality. I was a little worried about the sliders because in the reviews for this bundle, it said, a lot of people said like, oh, they don't work. They don't even work on my carpet. They don't work on my floor. It doesn't slide. We use this. It's great. Like, that's all I have to say. It's great. I even told him like, I'm not sure if you're gonna like it. He absolutely loves it. I tried it. It's great. We have carpet. It was great on the carpet. I tried it on wood floors. It slid well on the wood floors, so I don't know what people were talking about. So the resistance on this one, I believe, is 10 pounds. This one is 20 pounds. This one is 30. This is 40. And this is 50. When I saw it, I was like, I need to have this because it's amazing. And my husband tried it for the first time. He never worked out with these bands before. I would be the one to work out with them. And then my husband tried these for the first time, and he was sweating like crazy. Yeah, he always sweats like crazy every time he works out. But he saw now the beauty in these basically. You're able to do arm workouts, like full arm workouts, back workouts, chest workouts, abs, legs, butt, anything. You can work out absolutely every part of your body with these bands, and he thought that was insane. It all goes into this pouch. You just put it in there, zip it up, and put it in your bag. You're good to go. That's one less cost for us while we're traveling. No gym memberships, just resistance bands and slider. So guys, that is the end of this video. Hopefully you enjoyed watching it. I really wanted to show you guys all of these equipment for a long time so that you guys can use them on your next travels. Hopefully you guys were able to learn something new from this video. I will link everything down below, so go check out that list if there was something that you were interested in getting. I'm eager to hear from you if there's anything else that you've gotten on Amazon that has been amazing for your travels. So let me know in the comments below what that is. I need these travel tips. I live for these. I love packing. I am like a packing maniac. Don't forget to like this video if it was valuable to you, because I like knowing what type of content you guys like. See you guys in Colombia then. Bye.